Oh my God, fam, guess what we doing today? We going to eat patisseries. I figured we start running from now because I don't want to get too fat. We're going to see Jewish, we're going to see Japanese, we're going to see Chinese, we're going to see African, oh my God, vegan, oh my God, Caribbean, oh my God, come on! We are at the first one. This is our first stop, y'all. And I actually gotta be running because I'm gonna be eating mad food here. This is our Caribbean one, y'all. Look at that. Everything here is like special for their Martinique country. So good. I don't know what I'm getting, but I'm getting something. And then they have like all the salty stuff. Like these are like patties, y'all. Like with I think that one has fish, that one has chicken. This is real typical Martinique, French, Caribbean. Okay, let's try something. Ça c'est pour YouTube.
Oh yes.
Je veux un poulet et un morue, s'il vous plaît. Okay, y'all, she also gave me a hot chocolate du pays. C'est ton pays de ça. All right, guys, let's see. Oh. C'est fort. Wow, c'est génial ça. Ouh, c'est comme Jamaïque. Tu connais Jamaïque? Je suis jamaïcain. Oh my God, y'all. Look at how chocolatey that is. I did get this because this is the specialty, but I'm not gonna eat this until tomorrow because I gotta go to 5 other pastries places. People, this is what I'm gonna start with. That and that. Look inside, y'all. Look at the fish. So good. This is what's cool about Caribbean patisseries is they always have fish. See? Like in Jamaica. I'm not gonna be able to eat all this food. There's no way. Hi fam, so we're moving to the next one and I should really be running. Oh my God. Because remember y'all, I gotta run to the next boulangeries. Now this is a typical French boulangerie, y'all. Typical French boulangeries, yeah? Typical stuff. Right? This is the typical stuff here. We're not gonna do this, yeah? What we're gonna do, we are gonna go to the vegan one. Fabulous stuff here in Paris. But we going to the special patisseries. We're not going to the same old. So I think I need to be running. Here we go, to the vegan one. For the second one. Patisserie végétale. Let's go in and see what we find in this VG patisserie. All of this is vegan. Wow. Le chocolat, c'est la même chose. Le chocolat, c'est vegan aussi. Wow. All right, guys, what should I buy? Vous avez une spécialité, quelque chose populaire?
Vous avez ce que en fait, il y a des gens qui viennent, par exemple, spécifiquement pour le cake noisette.
Ah oui, je pense que je vais.
Pour le flan, enfin ça.
Oui, j'ai pas vu. Oui, je pense que je vais prendre ça.
Le noisette avec ça.
C'est tout?
Très bien.
Awesome, guys. So. Alright fam, that vegan patisserie place was pretty cool. But yeah, there's a difference between patisseries and boulangeries, or so my friends say. I really don't know what the difference is. I think maybe boulangeries sell bread, but that patisserie sold bread too. And some bakeries sold patisseries. They sell desserts too. I don't know. And then some say that, you know, patisseries, boulangeries aren't really real unless they really make the food there, and that is an artisan boulangerie, patisserie. I don't know. The French, they don't play with their breads and they don't play with their desserts. It's all about having the best, freshest dessert, baked good, that's made on the spot. All right, y'all, we're heading to the African patisserie next. That one is gonna be dope. They're all gonna be dope, all of them. All right, y'all.
You've arrived.
This is considered a North African patisserie. So like I said, everyone has the galette du roi. Now, look at this, y'all. Please, y'all, look at this. C'est magnifique, hein? This is absolutely... Et ça, c'est la spécialité africaine, c'est ça?
Oui.
Et c'est africain du Nord.
C'est l'Algérie, oui.
C'est Algérie, ok. Mais Tunisie, Maroc, c'est la même...
C'est presque pareil.
C'est presque, oui.
Oui, presque pareil.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. These specialties. When you're in like African, North African places, they do like a mint tea or an ataya. It's really good. And they do... C'est fini, hein? C'était superbe.
Superbe.
Wow.
Superbe.
Okay. Merci. I'm gonna have a baklava, and then I'm gonna have the specialty that he said. I'm on the specialty. See, I gotta run. Because if I eat all this food, it's gonna come right here. So we gotta run, right? So we work off this food that I'm eating. Praise goddess. You guys, look at that. Putting it in the tea.
Voilà. Hop.
Nice.
Je vous donne celle-là. Elle est jolie.
Ah, c'est gentil, merci.
Hop, de rien. Voilà. Et un noix de pécan.
Fabulous.
Voilà.
Fabulous.
Pas tout le monde, mais...
Alright guys, let's see how this works.
Je vais en prendre 4 comme ça, je vais les amener à
Oui.
mon fils 4 comme ça, et je vais prendre des croûtes à la tique 2 baklava au noix.
It's the best. African mint tea is the best. Jamaican mint tea is good too.
Une journée, c'est bon.
Ah, has the best amount of sugar too. It's not a lot. All right.
Vous voulez un petit sac, monsieur?
He said this was good.
C'est bon. Ouais.
Voilà.
Almond, honey, fleur, orange flower. The taste of an orange flower. So good.
Yeah.
He was so sweet. And look, he gave me another one. This is good too. What's in this? Pistachio. That's why it's green. So good, y'all. Oh God. It has mint. No, I can't eat all this food. And let's bite into this one. I can't, y'all. It's too good. All right, y'all. So where we're going next is the Jewish quarters. I used to live in the Jewish community, and the Jewish community had the best baked goods. So I would never go to the French patisseries when I was in Le Marais. We're gonna head there now, y'all. I don't know if I'll buy anything. Maybe I'll buy something, but at least I'm gonna show you what's there, because their baked goods, their delicatessen meats, they're not pork, all good. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna finish up my tea and head over there. Look at that, y'all. The Brooklyn Pizzeria. See, I told y'all we're heading to the Jewish quarters. See? That's where we're heading. This is the beautiful Place. Yeah, see, this is Le Marais. Le Marais is one of the most beautiful places. I mean, look at that. What the hell is that?
Piaf, Edith Piaf.
Ouh, j'adore.
Cet air qui m'obsède jour et nuit, pourtant n'est pas né d'aujourd'hui. Il vient de si loin que je viens, traîné par 100 000 musiciens. Un jour cet air me rendra folle, sans froid j'ai voulu dire pourquoi. mais il m'a coupé la parole. Il parle toujours avant moi et sa voix ouvre ma voix.
All right, fam, we're here. Look at this place. Look at this, y'all. This is absolutely fantastic. I'm telling you, it's like I'm in Brooklyn. Because they have all the spreads. Look at all the spreads. They got pickles. Bonjour. So ça c'est tarama?
Oui, taramaville.
Okay, ça c'est un poisson. It looks like the fish in the States, y'all. Guys, she is feeding me in here. Elle est gentille, hein? Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Voilà.
See. Wow. This place is amazing. So that's the bread, the rye bread. Look at that. And they use the bread machine and she cut it up.
Un petit, oui, c'est juste pour moi.
Oh, c'est trop bon ça.
Voilà.
Oui, les gâteaux. Et avec ça.
Okay, fam. So we're running to the next one because I just ate all that bread. And in the new year, I'm supposed to not be eating all that bread. But I ate all that bread. So now I'm running to the next train station and we are going to the Japanese Patisserie. That one is supposed to be really fabulous and that one is really expensive. But first, let's go run to the Seine. Since we're by the Seine, we might as well go and take video of the Seine. Come on, y'all. This is my neighborhood, y'all. This is where I used to run. I used to run up and down the Seine. This was my stomping ground, y'all. This was it. Okay, fam, so we're at the next place. It is called Sadaharu, Aoki, Paris. It's a Japanese patisserie. And we're gonna head in there, guys, and have some Japanese style Parisian patisserie. Let's go in. All right, guys, so this is the Japanese styled. Look at that, bamboo. Oh, this is great. What are we gonna eat today, y'all? What are we going to eat? You know, they're not cheap, y'all. Each one is like €6, right? And of course, they have the wonderful Macaron. Oh, okay, they even have hot cocoa too. Wow, they have bonbons in different parfums. They have chocolates. Fabulous. Nice. Nice. Okay, guys, what am I gonna try, guys? What am I gonna get today? Okay, guys. Oh my God, thank you. C'est gentil. And it has a little small oh wow. It has a little small macaron. Ah, c'est gentil. Thank you so much. Thank you. And it says Patisserie. Voilà. Bam. Alright. Let's see. So it has some kind of like red bean, she says. Some kind of green, like green tea. I think I'm overloading on sugar. I can't, y'all. That's all I can eat. Because I gotta eat all them other places. So we gonna take this to go, y'all. That stuff is in Chinese, you see? So it's important if I want to get some Chinese styles. Although I'm not sure if they're gonna have Chinese styled stuff or if they're just gonna have like their own Chinese. Oh Lord, maybe I should wait. So we're heading to the Chinese patisserie. I have a feeling it's not going to necessarily be Chinese styled patisseries. I think they may just actually have Chinese patisseries in Paris because we're in the Chinese neighborhood. See, let me tell y'all something, honey. They have a Chinese neighborhood here in France. I'm not sure if it's in the 13th or the 15th. Right now I'm in the 15th and I'm seeing mad. Everything's in Chinese. Look at that. Look at the Chinese. See, everything's in Chinese. See? Look. I'm sure the food here is phenomenal. I'm sure the food in this neighborhood is amazing. Look, they got pho. Ooh, that's it over there. Oh my God, y'all. I wanted to get to all 6 places before 6 o'clock because I knew once it started hitting 5, this is where we're going, y'all. And look, there's a line. And I'm gonna wait. See, I think this is very specifically Chinese. And we're gonna get some right now. So I think, oh, they do have French style stuff, but it's still typical Chinese. Ooh, look at this, y'all. See, this is their versions of the, look at the breads. Wow. Cakes. This is their, look, they even have similar pats like the Caribbean store. You see? So cool. So guys, this is your Chinese version of a patisserie here in France. Let's see. Bonjour!
Bonjour.
Et ça, c'est les spécialités chinoises.
Asiatique en fait.
Asiatiques.
Oui, parce qu'il y a un peu des spécialités chinois.
Chinois.
Un peu vietnamien, un peu cambodgien et un peu...
C'est chinois, c'est quoi encore?
Vietnamien.
Oh, vietnamien.
Oui. Et un
Ah.
mélange des deux. J'ai vendu tous mes porcs là.
Ah, ok.
Les gens aussi, tu veux vraiment plus typiquement asiatique.
Ok.
C'est les feuilletés.
Ok,
Là,
ça
c'est vraiment les feuilletés à l'ancienne. C'est-à-dire que ça, c'est ce qu'on utilise pour les fiançailles ou pour les mariages.
Ah oui.
Et là,
ok.
à l'intérieur, tu as un petit œuf jaune. Donc, en fait, c'est un gâteau,
Oui.
mais avec un jaune d'œuf salé.
Ok, mais c'est lequel tu aimes le meilleur?
Alors, est-ce que tu aimes le coco ou pas?
Mais oui, je
Alors,
suis
si-
jamaïcain, donc je mange
Alors,
beaucoup
si tu aimes
coco.
le coco, le feuilleté coco râpé avec un jaune d'œuf salé.
Ok,
c'est
ma
super
soeur,
bon.
on
Ok.
prend ça.
Là, on râpe nous-mêmes le coco. En fait.
Voilà, vous êtes très gentil. Merci beaucoup. Okay, fam, so it's officially nighttime. Look at that moon. Do y'all see the moon? Look at the moon. See the moon? Anyway, y'all, so I made it home. Ooh, look at that. That's the Eiffel Tower. See that? That was the Eiffel Tower. I've been trying to get y'all to see that for the longest time, but we just got it. So look, y'all, I'm about to eat some of the food I bought today at the patisseries, and then I'll have some dinner. But that's what we're gonna do. Class. All right, y'all. I gotta get into class.